So today we have a water damaged phone here, and we want to see on the process step by step of how to solve the issue of water damage. It's a phone, and no matter what we do, it's not coming on. We have our multimeter here to check if the battery is of good voltage to bring the phone to life, and then we will start our operations. So that's our battery. It's at 3 point. Our battery is 3.99, almost 4, and the nominal voltage should be 3.85. So what we will need here, we will need a brush, we will need dry cleaner for cleaning, we'll need a paste or flags for anything that will need eating. We'll need hot air blower, this one. So this one, our heat will be at 360, air will be at 3.4. So let's start our operation. So first of all, we'll have to move the phone here. I'll not interfere with anything. I'll not edit the video. I'll not increase the speed. I just want us to see step by step how you will be handling a water damage phone anytime you'll meet it. So we'll disconnect anything. I think you can still see water inside, so that means it is a bit soaked. So wherever you are dealing with such, you be very careful not to interfere with anything. Remember, it was brought you fix, not you damage. So there we'll remove this. I think you can observe the way the home button is rusted already, but that's why we are here, because it is something that immediately is not water soaked. It has been this way for 3 days. The owner decided to put it in salt so that it can change, but everything. So in the process of making this work out, so we are here. So this is what we want to work on. So first of all, we will clean this. That is the very first thing. Grease the button so that wherever we are dealing with the other, it will be somewhere waiting for us to stop. So first of all, we clean with the home dry cleaner. We clean everything with the home dry cleaner to make sure it is removed. So after that, we take our brush, we brush everything properly. So on this process, you will be doing this while testing if there is change. Be testing if there is change. We are cleaning this way to remove if by any chance there's anything, any rust that is there, we will observe it. So just do it thoroughly. From there, we test. We go step by step. From there, we test if our phone is capable of turning on. So at least we have started seeing some light at the end of the tunnel. So we've confirmed the phone is okay. Yes, our phone is okay. So the buttons are there. So the next step to prevent further rust or anything else, we'll have to service it with our home cleaner. I said home dry with our blower. I said the heat should be at 360, air should be at 3.5. So we'll start heating to make sure that there is no further rust after all this, because water has been inside for more than 3 days and that usually causes rusting. So on heating, you normally heat on the upper side, because of the lower side the board normally bends, but you know it's the components we want to heat, not the board. The board we've checked is working. If the board was not working, that's when we will use the lower one. So after heating, we will give it time, then we will go and rectify the screen. I think we saw some water there. So we are in TikTok. You can follow us at Kiwandar Phone Repair Kisumu Bus Park. YouTube, we are QR Mobile Fix. Facebook, Kiwandar Mobile and Accessories Kisumu. So after cooling, we will come back to our screen to check if we can remove the excess water on the screen. It is step by step. You see this? So we'll blow this a bit. Or if you have this from another screen that is not affected, you can take it. Okay, we just heat it slightly. I think the paper is now dried. We'll come here and wipe the screen. Go there and use a sponge. Wipe screen softly. As you push this way, you make sure that the light is not there. Then we fix back our screen. After fixing that, we will come and check at our charging port. We will come again and check at our charging port to confirm if it is working. If it is not working, we fix it too. Wherever you are doing service for water damage, you just do anything, you just do everything. So our light has gone, but we don't care, the video is still. So our charging port is working okay. Voltage is 2.10, so that is standard. So we'll just come fix our phone back the way it should be. We fix our phone the way it should be, and then we check if what we were to do has been done. You return the phone to a very so we make sure we return everything the way it should be. Some of this we tie, even the customer doesn't know if the phone was opened or not. So after that, remember there was one we removed here. we'll have to return it. We'll have to return it. And to prevent the buttons from moving, we'll have to apply some gum. We apply some gum, dry it up so that we go quicker. We dry the gum up. And I want to make something clear. So long as if the button here was dead and until it has nothing, we have the power pin here. It is replaced here. Most of phones, they indicate, you see the on and off. Just bypass that to here. So we'll come check at this if there is anything. Remember, we cleaned it before we start our operation, so we'll just have to check on this. You see these white labels? That's where we should check. That's where we should check keenly. That's where we should check. And I normally say that every process you are doing, make sure you check at the process. Everything that we are doing, you check at the process, because maybe you can close the phone. So as you see, it is drying. Anything we dried up is okay. Sound system. So we'll have to close it and take a line, put inside and test. But that one we won't do because the owner didn't left. The owner went with the line. So we'll come, return the phone keenly and make sure everything is okay. So okay, I think the battery connection is not okay, but we want to check everything here. We want to make sure that the phone is okay. We check all buttons. So we'll come here. Knowing from there, we can also use our cable to charge as we operate. So that's the whole process. We want to check at the buttons. So we'll have to check as it is charging. We check all the buttons. You make sure you try everything, so whenever you are done with the phone, there will be no complaint at all. So our video is there, done. Everything done the way it should be. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share and comment so that you get videos like this anytime. The video is not edited, not boosted, not forwarded, anything. That's now the process. So the next I'll do the video about smartphone water damage. Thank you.